even higher.
Bring all these things on to help the person. So like, what are we doing? Are we deceiving ourselves? Then our governor's son, minister's son too, they for do like this. Yeah. Government for the people.
You will see the pressure of this water.
That's what I'm saying, that the start point is shifted from here. Say yeah? Yes. How far?
Would they sit down under here before? Those days. In those days now, they can't wash motor for you. Under this slab, what kind of a slab? Yes, now this place dig go down. Now slab, they on top, but that slab collapse.
See, turn the camera, make you see us. Can we stay here? I will stay here with you.
This is going to feel rich.
Welcome back here. I see what I said. How much is it? I didn't come
I don't see. On a one day useful.
Oh my.
They jack am from the wrong side.
But no, it doesn't matter which side they jack am.
Only this is the way now. This is no reason. Then drag out to where go there. Now the house will go put up. The house will wait down. The house will play it. Where the tire house is going to go. Carry a go.
See, now the other one, this is a 9
That water really kill am. When that water, the man for comot.
No, don't open. I want to come out. Say when one motor point that water, you don't know what to do. I dive so we go 9 minutes there.
Now you drive and the white man.
The driver has got the point side, no good jump on one side.
No worries, sir. I'm coming. This one don't come up close to.
I hear you. The man don't die now. Which one is the
Carry on.
What is the content now?
What did they walk? Government carry on now.
The one woman cut out the Toyota.
What do you want me to do for you? You know, government give us
Only neither comment.
go.
Only bro, talk about motor. Talk about woman doing that. Talk about motor. The motor don't go.
Go now.
Which sport when they face the motor? Which sport when they face the that's more this thing. That's not good. In his front. Enter. Like the driver side, how do you go? The driver side, the driver side. No, so don't condemn. No, don't keep this motor here. But keep on here. But keep people shine. The story about the. What are you talking about? Why now? I don't know. Hey!
Make it spoil, woman be don't die. The motor spoil, any high won't spoil. Don't die.
Thank you very much. May your days be long. Yesterday, I'm on a bike man presently now, but I'm Dr. Nyenawe. I am Stanley Obonna. I'm a bike man, Kumata, and that's my helmet. And I run from Akpajo, from GVC to Akpajo Junction. Yesterday, as I was coming, I carried 2 passengers from Akpajo. I get somewhere there, I heard a gunshot, I stopped by close of Ndroma. I told them, no, this may be a combat between police. I said, no, I moved down to the area. On the process of the experts, I find out those men, I can't name them, I don't see them, it was night. On the process, there was a police that surrounded the man, he's a white man. So, but he's still in the car. So on the process of the interview and they were not like exchanging words, hey, this and that. Before you know it, the blow gun and the motor fell inside here with the gunshots, and those people missed. That's how the thing say. And since yesterday till now, if you still want to see my machine I park it down there. So that is it. I'm still whom I am. And I came this morning to witness whether the dead body or any motor have come out. They say never come out. Look around, there is police all around. The embassy have entered, but there's nowhere to be found the man.
Okay, so
thank you. My call to federal government is that they are not doing well. They are not doing well that here have to have flyover. Important personnel have to move down. And look at the things, the bridge they are working for a long time are still here. They have never done anything to do remorse to us. There is nobody. And those people, they used to come with flying boats. When they came, the other day, now so they came kidnap somebody, and a wife and a man, a husband, and demanded a ransom of 1 million naira. And that 1 million, where is 100 million, sorry, 100 million, where is the 100 million? I was in Preston that night. Anytime I'm a bike man, I apply this route. So on the process of everything, if you call me tomorrow, I can drop my number, I will still come out. But what I'm trying to say, or insinuate in our expert, is that the government are not doing well. The road is abandoned. You can check down there. The road is abandoned for many years. They awarded this contract. Nothing is happening. Okay, the contract they awarded, is this way the bridge are? Is it the same way it's supposed to be? There's nothing going on. You can video the bridge, can video everything, can video things, and see that, please, my dear honorable, nothing is going. Thank you.
Your name again?
I'm still Stanley Obonna. Where does belong?
My name is Chief Honorable Ajuri Ebiebrin Emere Gupa, the Executive Chairman of Eleme Local Government Council.
Okay, sir. What do you have to say about this incident?
Well, what we have seen here is so bad. You are aware that the Eleme people has demonstrated severally in order to attract the attention of the federal government to fix this road. But it is very clear that the federal government has refused deliberately to fix this road. And as a result of the state of the road, this accident has happened today. It's most unfortunate. You know, again, we are still calling on the federal government to do the needful. This road is very critical to the Nigerian economy. You are aware that this road houses the first and second Port Harcourt refineries. We also have the Nigeria Port Authority and several companies. The oil and gas free zone is also here. Notori company, the fertilizer company, is also on this road. Over there, you can see the Indorama company. So it's very critical. Customs generates a lot of revenue from the Port Authority, but yet, the federal government has failed to do the needful by fixing this road. So it's very bad. This accident is avoidable, but because of the negligence of federal government on their part to fix the road, we are using this medium to call on the Federal Ministry of Works, the Minister of Works, David Omaye, to swing into action. So we are saying the work done is very slow. We are thinking there is a deliberate act to frustrate the Nigeria Port Authority that is here in order to promote the Tinker and Papa seaports in Lagos.
Okay. Since the road is like this, what is your advice to motorists that are planning this road?
Well, for now, they should apply caution because the state of the road is so bad. Like I've said earlier, what has resulted to this accident is because of the bridge. You can see there's no protective measures employed to prevent the accidents. A vehicle ran and fell inside the river. And we are here since morning to ensure that we rescue the victim, the vehicle.
So far, any rescue?
Rescue operation is ongoing. You can see our efforts. We have been here since 7 o'clock in the morning. We are putting all efforts to ensure. And the most unfortunate thing here is that the victim is an expatriate. And he's not going to speak well for our country and our states. You know, where at this point we are encouraging investors to come and invest in our states. The man is in partnership with the River State government to set up a cassava factory plant. It's most unfortunate. It's bad. It's very bad. Thank you.
Eda Igwe Olukamafo is my name. Yeah.
So what do you have to say about this? Are you an eyewitness or you know about what happened?
No, I was just coming as usual. I was going to my office and I saw the mammoth crowd and I said, what is happening? And by the time we stay up, I now saw the local government chairman, commissioner of police, deputy commissioner of police, the area commander, the DPO covering these two areas, that's Eleme and Akpajo DPO, and other police officers. So I came down, you know, and the information was that there is the MD to one of the farm in River State, you know, was going out through this ASICs when some kidnappers trying to kidnap, and they were exchanging bullets with the security men who were guiding this foreigner. And as well, one of the mopo, from what I gathered, one of the mopo fell out of the car and rolled to the other side of the road, while the other one fell into the ditch, the big river behind me, with the white man. Although I saw the policeman who was with the white man swim out, and since then they've been inside. So we are trying to make sure the rescue, the divers are here, and we are trying to, we found the vehicle, but want to see the extent of damage done, whether the white man is still alive or not. And that is what is happening here now.
Looking at the road, what can you say about the road and the security?
Well, the road and security, for the first instance, the road is slow. The pace of the job is very slow on this road. If the road had been fixed and the flyover is there, at this point, they would have been flying over and there will be tight security. The security they brought here cannot withstand these people. And so the road, the company handling the road, I can't blame the company because I don't know whether they have been fully paid or mobilized to, or the milestone they have covered. And so the road is part of the problem we have here. Then for the security, here is supposed to be well secured. Here is supposed to be well secured. This is not the first time I've witnessed once. Even one of the persons that have been kidnapped have been here, was kidnapped before here, was here. And so here is supposed to be security masterminded area where security will take it a priority and allow this place to be well secured, because the road users of this place are not safe. Every month, every two weeks, one kidnapping, one shooting, or the other. Vehicle running off the road, falling in the ditch. So I think the government should wake up to standard and see what they can do here. Thank you. Okay, Eda Igwe Lukanfo is my name.
Okay, my name is Pere Godwin, a native of Rivers State. We are live here at Aleto, and this is the bridge leading from refinery Alesa to Akpajo that leads to Eleme Junction. Now we are having many casualties here. About some months ago, late last year, we had a fire disaster at Endurama Petrochemicals caused by the same road, based on the slow pace of Arusisi. And now today we are here. They tried to kidnap somebody, a foreigner, and some armed men are inside this water. We are still, since early morning, we have been here trying to get them out, still because of this road. So we are using this medium to call on the Honorable Minister of Wars, Honorable David Omae, to please come to our rescue. We are tired of the things that are happening here. Our mothers, our brothers, fathers, sisters are all dead. Based on what is happening on this road, look at the pace of the road. Nothing is happening, and they are just in Abuja eating money. We are very angry, we are not happy.
People are dying daily basis.
My name is Pere Godwin. Thank you very much.
As I told you before, I put it down there. You can check this thing out. How many years have this thing spent here?
He was here. Just to get to the more. Hey, John, we see the door.
They move fast like this. They didn't say
What is saving you?
My God, let them back to me. Let me supposed to be. Let me supposed to be.
When you go there inside, though, you know that one. When you go there inside, direct.